In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a value, not a formula. In Google Sheets, if you've ever copied a cell in Google Sheets and ended up bringing the formula with it instead of just the final result, this is the quick fix you need. Sometimes you want the number text or finished output exactly as it appears in the cell without carrying over the underlying formula. That's where pasting values only becomes really useful. To start, select the cell or cells you want to copy. Then press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. This copies the content to your clipboard and prepares it to be pasted somewhere else. If the original cells contain formulas, don't worry, you still have the option to paste only the displayed values in the next step. Now go to the destination cell, the place where you want the copied result to appear. Right-click that cell to open the context menu. In the menu, hover over Paste Special. You'll see a few different paste options here, but the one you want is values only. Click that, and Google Sheets will paste just the visible result from the original cell, not the formula behind it. This is especially helpful when you want to lock in a result, share clean data with someone else, or prevent formulas from changing when moved to a new location. It's a simple method, but it can save a lot of confusion when working with spreadsheets. Here is also another way to do the exact same thing. If you prefer using the top menu bar instead of right-clicking, first, copy your preferred data using Ctrl and C or Command and C, just like before, then highlight the target cell where you want the value to go. After that, click Edit in the top menu bar. Hover over Paste Special, and then choose Values Only. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels more natural to you. The right-click method is often faster, while the Edit menu can be easier to remember if you are still getting familiar with Google Sheets. Once you get used to this, it becomes one of those everyday spreadsheet tricks that makes your workflow much smoother and more accurate. Thanks for watching.